Okay, so today we are making something new. This is a favorite of ours. We love it. All three of us love it. But what we ended up getting is a Cosori blender. We have a lot of their appliances. We love it. They asked me if they could send me a Cosori blender to do a review. I said yes, because our blender is already starting to break. And why not? I already love their products. But inside the box, you get a lot of pieces for the blender. You also get a smasher, which I actually really like. You just take this little cover off right here and you just smash that. That's what I like instead of stopping it. And they give you like a personal glass that you guys can pour your stuff in here.
Maybe some dressing.
Yeah, so inside they give us tons of different recipes, stuff I never even thought you could make with a blender. So there's that. But what we're going to make today is Copycat Shamrock shakes. We've made this before. We love it. And all you need is 3 ingredients. You just need ice cream, milk, and then we have creme de menthe syrup. This is the Tarani brand. We do have another one that we use too, but this is one we like. So we're going to just scoop some ice cream and show you guys what to do next. So here we're just putting ice cream in. We just kind of guess. There's no measurements to it. You just kind of think what you want. You can always add more. So there's 3 of us going to have some, so we're just going to add a bunch of scoops for now. Probably 1 more scoop. And then we're going to add some milk to it. And then we'll see how it is from there. Now we're just going to pour some milk in there. Her husband
started out.
He's going to blend it a little bit. But look at that. You can pour it right in from the top, which is super awesome. But like we just guess on what we want.
Let's try the stick and see how well that works.
Yeah, this is cool. So the stick that we have, it goes straight right up into the blade, so it doesn't even touch the blade. So you can use that stick and punch it down and it will not hit the blade. I like it because I always have to keep stopping this and taking it and shaking it or stirring it. But here it already does it for us. So now the husband's going to add some creme de menthe inside. He has it on
probably more medium.
Medium.
Here we go.
Okay, as you guys can see, the creme de menthe doesn't really make the ice cream at all hardly green. It's like a pale green. So what we end up doing is we put food coloring in there to make it look greener. I feel like the greener it is, the better it tastes. It doesn't have to be that way, but to us, it feels that way. So, I mean, just doing the green, it just looks a little bit better. So we're going to just kind of mix it up just a little bit more and then taste test it and let you guys know what it tastes like next.
So after using this, I think the best feature that I like about Cosori is instead of normally 1, 2, or 3 speeds, this has an infinite setting. So you have literally thousands of different settings. And here we go, we're going to try it.
Now, this is available on Amazon to buy, so I will have the link below that you guys can buy this. Like I said, we love Cosori. We've used Cosori a lot of times, so we're going to use it. So we're getting ready to taste it. Benjamin's going to show us, tell us how it tastes first. Benjamin, here you go. Try it. Tell me what you think of it.
I'm try it.
Try it. Try it. No, you try it. Okay, try
good.
it. Tell me what it tastes like.
It tastes like mint in my mouth.
Mint in your mouth.
Yummy.
Well, there you go. You got your Copycat Shamrock shake. So we just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys can enjoy this. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.